So there are different business scenarios, different thing. Yeah. Now comes a minimum lot size. So someone will say, hey, I don't want anything less than. Vendors will say, I will not deliver you if your product is, you know, if your order is less than 20. I will deliver only if the order is 20 and above. In that case, you need to maintain what is your minimum lot size.
Could you repeat? I didn't get you.
Minimum lot size is,
Uh-huh.
let's say in procurement, you will have a vendor, right? That
Hmm.
vendor will not give you component.
That I understood.
You
Like
go and
it's
ask,
like
I want 1 kg. He'll say, I will not give you 1
it's
kg.
like battery. If you are
Right.
purchasing a battery, some people won't give you loose battery. You have to purchase the entire six batteries at a time.
Correct.
So
Correct.
it's like that. Yeah.
Correct. Very good. Yeah. So that is the minimum lot size. Even your production order, if you say, you know, I,
So
hmm,
okay, what is the safety level? That one safety. How is it different from minimum lot size? Like
what is
safety
safety?
level, no, not safety level. What was that?
Safety
Safety
stock.
stock. Ha.
We'll go. That is in MRP too. We'll go there. Yeah.
Okay.
So minimum lot size is even in your production also. Someone will say, hey, I don't create, I don't produce if it is less than 1000 kg. Even if your order is one, I'll produce 1000. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is minimum lot size. Maximum lot size is, that is the maximum level. It cannot go
The
beyond that.
maximum capacity cannot cross the
Yeah.
maximum capacity.
You can cross, but it will be the second order.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's say I have 100 crore kg of order. My maximum stock level is 1 crore. If it is 100 crores, then
100 times.
100 orders will be generated. That's it. Okay. So
Yeah.
maximum stock level is how much max you can pile. Okay.
Okay.
So how much maximum you can keep in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So your capacity to store. Okay. This is your capacity to generate.
So
Okay.
this maximum stock level would be actually like that particular storage location that like suppose they are using one storage like say FG01. Okay.
Right.
So in that storage look maximum capacity of that FG01 they're talking about, or is it the production supply area that once production is done wherever that intermediate location
No,
they
no,
are
no, no,
going
no,
to
no. See,
no
you have, quantity of the material in the plant that may not be exceeded.
okay.
Okay.
Still, it is incomplete information. I was asking,
Hmm.
suppose there is like generally like for that company which I was working, so there is a storage location, say FG01. Okay, so the maximum capacity of that FG01 they're talking about, right? Storage location.
Correct. It's only storage location.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You are talking about the production supply area.
Huh. That is different.
That is completely different. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. So, okay, you don't need about this, sorry, storage cost code and everything. It's not used. Okay.
Is it used by product costing people like all this
No, 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 no,
information?
no, no,
No.
no. So you need to maintain this. This is actually a configuration that you need to, cost based. If you're going on the cost based, then you need to, you know, create something, for one story, how much it cost, Uh, so it's a different topic. If you get anywhere, business requirement, um, then you can see, but you'll never ever get it. Okay. So don't worry about this cost. Yeah. Okay. So the assembly scrap. So assembly scrap percentage, is nothing but if I give 10% here, uh, this is a percentage. This field is in percentage. If I give 10%, now when MRP runs, what it will do, if your demand is 100 kg, then it will create a production order for 100 kg plus 10% of it, which means 110 kg. It will create an order for 110 kg. Okay.
Okay.
Which means we'll say, because your required quantity is 100 kg.
Okay.
Okay. But when you do assembly, you are saying that, okay, at the time of assembly, I will have a 10% scrap. If system go and create as per the demand, like if your requirement is 100 kg, and if system creates 100 kg production order, then during the assembly there is a scrap, so 10% will be scrap, which means
Hmm.
it will be
Only
end up
90
20 kg only, which means you are short for
of,
your
yeah.
customer, 10 kg for your customer. So to avoid that, you can give the assembly scrap. So system will plan even the scrap quantity. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, yeah. This three: cost, code, takt time are similar. Three you don't use much, but assembly scrap you might use. Rounding profile usually you use. You can have a rounding profile of 10, so all your orders will be rounded to 10 or 5. So FX and rounding value will be some kind of similar, uh, right? So FX and rounding value sounds very similar, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So if you give one, if you give two, all your orders will be rounded to two. If you got an order for three, your uh, you know uh, production order will be um,
No,
so
no, it would depend upon what is the demand, right? Like it is not
right.
exactly the same.
Right,
Rounding
sounds
value
similar. That's what
means,
I'm
yeah,
saying.
it
It's not
sounds
same,
similar. Yeah, yeah,
right?
it's not.
So we need
There,
to,
fixed lot size means whatever the value would be there, fixed lot size only would be produced. Like,
right, right. So
mm,
I mean, if your fixed lot size is 50, you got an order for 70, then
then
you have
two
two
production order,
orders,
one with, one both with, I mean,
50,
50-50 would
50.
be there.
Right. Here, if I say 50 and your uh, demand is for 70, okay, then same, you'll get an order for 50.
Two, 50-50. Okay,
So
okay,
sounds
understood.
similar.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
now if you keep the rounding value as 1, okay,
Hmm.
if you have an order for 0.5, you'll have
Now you will have one.
1. So even this is the same. Fixed lot says 1, you'll have order for everyone. So
You can tell, you can say like, yeah, rounding value is like a universal set. And
yeah, so rounding profile. So we have to create a profile. Yesterday I discussed about the sample schema, right? In the
yeah,
same,
yeah.
we will create a rounding profile. Uh, where similarly we give 0 to 100 round it to 100, 101 to 300 round it to 300. So it is a rounding profile. Okay.
Okay.
So we are just giving a range and asking system to create in that range.
Is there a combination like, for example, when it was a fixed FX we were using at that time, we had to enter fixed lot size, right?
Mhm.
So is there a combination applicable to rounding profile, rounding value also, or with any?
Always all will be used in, you know, either, I mean,
Okay.
mostly for EX and monthly lot size.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Understood.
So it's all business. They'll think like, okay, we have a product, we are using monthly lot size. But sometimes, let's say the we our you know vendor will not accept anything on decimals. Okay, let's go with rounding value. Then you know for another product, okay, our lot size is a monthly lot size, but vendor only accept 50 uh, you know uh, uh, 50 as the minimum lot. Then you go and give the rounding value 50, because for 2 month lot size you cannot use fixed lot, right? So why I said similar, the rounding value and fixed lots is similar, because my lot size is monthly, but I want all the orders with 50 as the you know uh, value.
Yeah.
uh, so now my requirement is 79. Okay,
Okay.
I cannot use fixed lot size because my lot sizing is monthly lot size. It will consolidate all the months. Now what system will do? I mean, what I have to do? I have to go and enter the rounding value as 50. Now what will system will do? It will consolidate all the requirements and it comes to 79 and rounding value is 50. So it creates two orders for 50/50.
50/50. Huh?
Okay.
Yes.
That's the reason we have fixed lot size as well as rounding value.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so I think this is about lots of
MRP1.
RP1. Yeah, yeah, very important
Mm.
MRP area. So in S4 HANA, MRP is run at why is not okay, why is not moving? Okay, yeah. So in S4 HANA, MRP area plays a key role. Okay.
Mhm.
So MRP area is nothing but again in a plant you can create multiple MRP areas or you can create whole plant as one MRP area,
Yeah.
which is nothing but a name itself specifies the area,
Correct.
okay, or the plant. In one plant, you say I have 4 areas. So these M you need to assign one area to the MRP. Okay.
Yeah.
So very
Uh,
important why we are taking so much of time is because
so
Mhm,
I had one doubt, like suppose there are units available in one each plant. Like
mhm.
one plant has multiple units, say. Units in the sense, suppose um so cement factory is there. Okay, so cement factory. First, some machines or some of the work centers would be involving some soil, something or some operation related to soil. Okay, soil processing. Then somebody would be using some pebbles or something like that. Like whatever are the components, each component has different processing, and finally everything is mixed together and we get cement, suppose. Okay. So what I'm trying to understand is like can that one particular unit, right? It would be treated as MRP area within the plant.
Yes, it can be, or you can leave it blank because it's only one MRP area. It is the plant.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. So very important. Many people doesn't know or focus much on the Material Master, but that is the basic.
No, I gave this interview for Saint Gobain. Okay, there were 5 rounds. Till fourth round, I could easily manage. Then fifth round was with the head of the that production person, business person only, but she has IT business IT person. Okay, so then she was like, she asked me many questions. Then finally, she was into MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4. Like she was asking everything. She was giving me situations, and basically it was all the answers lied in this MRP views only. Like,
Yeah, very important, very
and
important.
I missed that and I couldn't clear the interview. Like I reached till the fifth round and I was disappointed kind of. Then I got the next company, I got it. So it's fine. But Saint Gobain was a product based company, so I missed that opportunity. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
thinking
Okay.
if I miss something. I think in MRP, oh, very important. I missed. Yes,
Mm.
this one. How I missed.
Planning time. Ah,
So,
okay.
yeah, and one more thing. I know that you know this. If you don't know any documentation or if you don't know anything, you can simply press F1.
F4.
Okay.
F1. F1.
Yeah.
Mm.
So it will give you for anything, anything. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you want which field in which table it stores, you have this, this
Technical information. Yeah,
uh,
I used it.
MAKT is the table, MAKTX is the field name. So sometimes it's a structure, you cannot open the structure. Okay, fine. So planning time frames is very, very important. Now, let's say a planner has already planned all his activities for next 1 month. Okay, so usually his MRP runs and creates for 1 year. Okay, he
Okay.
he got 1 year production orders on the screen.
Okay.
Okay, suddenly
Uh-huh.
you will come and say, "Hey, I want this 100 kg immediately." He'll say, "No, no, no, nothing I can do. You come next week. Okay, please, let me know next week. We'll plan." Then I'll go to the production plan and say, "Hey, I want 300 kg immediately." He'll say, "No, no, no changes for the next 60 days or next 30 days or next 10 days, whatever it is." So,
That's time fence.
right.
Okay.
Planning time when says, I don't want any changes. I have 1 year data, but I don't want anything in the next 10 days to be changed, even though there is
Okay.
an order.
I think it is because we want to make the system stable and
The production stable because
yeah,
system can create anything, but as soon as MRP runs and changes something for tomorrow, I cannot, uh, you
that
know,
doesn't happen, right? Like in
it
actual
can,
production,
can,
it can happen.
yes.
Okay.
Usually, is it? I told 10, but there are some companies they don't want anything 30 days. Okay. So any new requirement, they'll kick out of.
At least the duration would be small only then. It cannot
Yeah,
be
that depends on company to company.
business.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so this is the main main major
It's
functionality.
like I'll tell you a situation. Like I was
Yeah.
having this. They were using conveyor belts to transfer the raw material from the production supply area to the actual production part. Okay. So suppose, for example, by mistake by the worker, some of the pallets or the boxes of the components they fell down. Okay. Then accidentally it fell down, so it cannot be used now because it is on the floor now. So then urgently we'll require some raw material supply, because then production plant cannot stop working. It has to produce, or according to the calculated value we have to produce. Then if time fence is applied, then there would be a problem, right?
I mean, it's not a problem actually. It's the business necessity,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
It's not always a problem. If they don't want, they'll keep it as blank. Even there is a change tomorrow, they will, accommodate. They can accommodate. See, it's all if they accommodate any new changes. See, there are many industries where once they fix the production line, it will run for 10 days, and they
Yeah.
don't want to see anything change in the 10 days. All the changes, I mean, SAP will just kick that out of the planning time frames. If I give 30 days, everything will be created after 30 days. Create or change anything. right?
Yeah, yeah, understood. Okay.
Yeah,
I
very
thought I have heard like once the master data is fixed, it's very limited or very rare situation where we change it later on. Like
no,
it's
no,
a
no.
one, no,
We are
it's
not
every.
talking about the master data. Master data changes will be rarely happening.
Okay.
This is the transactional data. I'm saying a production order.
Okay.
Okay, there is a
But
plan.
time fence, no, no, MRP, this planning time fence, it is part of master data only, no?
Uh, okay, you mean to say the data here 20
Ah,
days, 30 days? No, no. Okay,
yeah,
fine. That will not be changed. They fix 10 days or 20 days. It will be there. Okay, because they know, right? How many days data they want to freeze. So no changes within the days to the production orders, right? So you got my point.
yeah, yeah. I'm still with that conveyor belt concept only because
Okay,
I've
okay,
seen that, and they do the then what they do is they will do the goods issue um, without order. Yeah, they'll do goods issue without order. I think something like that. Some option was there. They were telling me this kind of a story. So I remember that. That's what they do.
okay.
At the time of physical inventory, that will all be taken care of.
Got it, got it, got it. So here planning time fence is nothing but if you are giving 14 days as the planning time fence in a metal master, so this five quantity will be freezed. And you say in the same week, okay, I want another four. It will not be planned. This four will be planned here, the nearest date after the fence. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is about planning time fence. So yeah, very important, very important. So fine. Yeah, so this is about MRP 1. MRP 2 also will take some time.
Yeah.
Okay, not this much, but it's simple. MRP 3, we'll complete all the MRP 2, 3, 4
Next session we can complete.
tomorrow. Okay, because nothing, it will not take much time. MRP 1 is very important. Even work scheduling also will plan to complete tomorrow. 3 views plus work scheduling 4 views. Okay.
Okay. Work
Yeah.
scheduling has what? One second.
Work
Work scheduling.
scheduling is only for produced parts, not for procured parts.
Yeah, 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 that
Yeah,
you
it's
told me
what
that
what
day.
is
Yeah.
the production unit, who is the production supervisor, what is the production scheduling.
Tolerance is the important data. There was a question on that also. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, so very simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So once you're good with the MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 and work scheduling, then we will move to next master data.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it.
Once this important, I will take some time on the important things, and let for MRP 2, 3, 4 and work scheduling, we can quickly move on to next.
Today, actually, 20 minutes we lost because of my system
Yeah,
updates and stuff. So,
it happens. It
yeah.
happens. Yeah. Fine then. Okay.
Okay.
Let's meet tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a nice
Yeah.
day. Bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye.